Hey guys, I wanted to give you an update on the Unit 4 project and let you know what I've been doing and kind of maybe some issues that I ran into, as well as kind of the steps I've taken so far to create my decision maker app. So I've decided to, let me pull this up actually. So I've decided to create an app that will decide what movie I'm going to watch tonight. So I filled out this project planning guide that's in Google Classroom. It's titled this U4 L12 Unit 4 Project Part 1. So you should have been able to get into this table to discuss what you're doing, and so you can get some feedback from your classmates. And then down here is a table showing me all the different variables that I'm going to be using. So I came up with these as my different variables, and I kind of changed my mind on this a little bit. So I have mood, I have platform, I put in time, but I'm no longer going to do that. So let me just cross that out. And then I also decided to collect age. So the age of the user is the information being stored, and this is being stored as a number. Right. And then I created a flow chart. I did this down here. So I've explained to a couple of you, those who have checked in, you don't really need to go super in depth with this flow chart. But I just wanted to get you guys thinking about what you were going to do. I wanted you to plan out what your app was going to look like, what your code is going to look like before you just jump right in. Because it can, number one, be a little overwhelming to just start from a blank slate. So this is really nice to have kind of an outline of where you want to go. And then as well, it helps your code, maybe keeps it from getting a little too messy. So it can be really easy to just like get in there and then start going, and then you realize you need to make a function, and then you realize you need another variable, and it can get really convoluted really easily. So, and this can kind of help clean things up a little bit. So again, you don't need to go super in depth with this. It doesn't have to be like every single option. Again, it's just a planning mechanism for you. So do what you need to do that so that it will help you. What I did was I established two different variables, my platform variable and my mood variable. And basically what I want to happen is that I want my user to pick what their mood is and what platform they have access to. And I'm also going to be using age as well in there. And then I'm going to have a series of Boolean expressions where I'm going to check to see what the mood is. So I kind of set it up like, if the mood is happy, then if the platform is Netflix, then there's a Netflix happy movie. Or if this is false, if the mood is not happy, then I'll have it check sad and reflective, silly, brave, and weird. What are my other ones? So I have those options as well, that once I pick a mood, then it will check the platform, and I'll have different options: a Netflix happy movie, Netflix sad movie, Amazon happy movie, Amazon sad movie, and I have all those different options that it will give me. And then this last piece is designing the user interface. Again, this does not need to get super in depth. I'm not looking for you to, like go all out on this. This isn't the important piece. Save that for when you're actually in code.org and you're designing the actual interface. This is just a sketch. So I made it pretty quickly in Google Draw, and I've decided I'm going to have 4 screens. So there'll be the first screen, which just says, which movie should I watch? It asks how old I am, and then I've decided to add in a button so that I can move from that screen to the next, where it asks me my mood. And then I select one of those. Those are all buttons. And then that will take me to the platform screen. And then it'll take me to the answer screen. So that's kind of what I came up with in my planning mode. I've also unlocked the next levels in code.org. So you should be able to get in there and start actually mapping out your app. So again, I wanted to share with you what I've done today. This has taken me about a little over an hour to do. So this isn't what I want. This is what I want. So what I've done is first let's look at my different screens. I created the home screen, again, where it asks how old I am, and there's a button there that should take me to the next screen. Then I have my mood screen that it will take me to with my different mood options. Then I have a platform screen with the different streaming platform options. And then finally my answer screen, where it's going to tell me right here what movie I should watch and an image of the movie. So let me show you what I've done in my code. So first thing to do, I want to establish my variables and I want to establish my functions. So I established 4 different variables. I have the mood, platform, age, and movie. So this is storing the mood of the user. This is storing the platform that they have access to. This is storing their age. And then this stores their answer, stores the movie answer. So then I have my different functions that I set up. And I don't know, I'm kind of realizing like maybe I shouldn't have made these into functions since I'm only calling them one time in my code, but that's okay. So I set up like a mood screen switch so that when I'm going from my platform screen or from my mood screen, it'll take me to the platform screen. And again, I don't know what I was thinking there. Don't really need a function for that, but that's okay. And then I did the same thing for the platform screen to the answer screen. And then this is a behemoth if-else function. And I don't know, I was trying to think of ways to make it a little shorter, and I'm not sure really if there is. However, I did use a lot of copy and paste, which helped kind of just make it go a little quicker. But basically what it does is it checks out all those different options. So it's going to check the age, the mood, and the platform. And then it's basically saying if age is greater than 17 and the mood is happy and the platform is Amazon, then I'm assigning my variable the rated R happy Amazon movie. Similarly down here, if the age is greater than 17, mood is happy, platform is Netflix, then there's an R happy Netflix movie. And then same for Disney, same for HBO, R happy Disney movie, R happy HBO movie. And then it goes through this sad, and then it goes through silly, and then it goes through reflective, then it goes through brave, then it goes through weird. Then I switch to if age is greater than or equal to 13 and mood is happy and platform is Amazon, then they get the PG-13 happy Amazon movie, the PG-13 happy Disney movie. And again, goes through the different platforms and then the different moods, goes through sad, silly, reflective, brave, weird. And then the last one checks not the age anymore because it's any age that's not greater than or equal to 13. And so it just checks the mood and the platform now. So it says if the mood is happy and the platform is Amazon, then the movie is PG happy Amazon movie. Then PG happy Netflix movie, PG happy Disney movie, PG happy HBO movie. And then through sad, silly, reflective, brave, and weird. So if you guys have any suggestions on how to maybe slim that down a little bit, I would be open to hearing your opinions. Then what I have down here are my different buttons, my different handlers. I'm going to add in that comment here. Event handlers. Okay. So first one is on event, the go button. the Go button. So when the Go button is clicked, that's on my home screen. I assign my variable to the text in the age input, and I change my screen to the mood screen. Then I have my different mood buttons. So happy, sad, silly, reflective, brave, and weird. And what it does is when that button is clicked, it updates the variable to be whatever mood that I clicked on, and it changes my screen to the platform screen. And this is where I use those functions. I had the function here rather than typing it in, but I don't know, that was kind of silly. I might change it back. And then platform screen, I have my different streaming buttons. So what I want to happen when my Amazon button is clicked, for example, I have it tell me that I click that button down here, and then I change my platform variable. I assign it to Amazon, and then I use that platform screen switch. So that's going to switch from the platform screen to the answer screen. That was a function I set up. And then movie answer is the one that runs all those conditionals. That should tell me, it should assign movie to the different movie options. Why do I have platform screen switch and this set screen? Let's go back up. I might have deleted that platform screen switch. No, I have it there. I think I'm just going to get rid of that though, because I don't really need it, because I just have it like this, set screen. So just got rid of that. And then I also want to set property. I want to set the property of the movie text. The text of movie text, I want it to be my variable movie. But it keeps telling me that I need it in quotes, which I'm a little confused about. So that's something I need to still look at. So now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to delete that platform screen switch function because I don't believe I need it anymore. And then my last piece is this try again button on the answer screen. I want to be able to click that to go back to the home screen. So let's give it a try. So it asks me how old I am. I am 29. I hit go, and my variable changes, the age changes. How am I feeling? I'm feeling kind of weird. So it told me my weird button was clicked and my mood became weird. And then what websites do you have access to? I have access to, I guess I have access to more than one. So I'll just pick Disney for now. Okay, platform changed to Disney. Disney button was clicked. And then, like I said, it used, so it was like, so it changes the property of my text here, the movie text, to movie. But what I wanted to change it to is rated R happy, or what did I say? Rated R weird movie. Rated R weird Disney movie. So that's what I wanted it to happen, but clearly did not work. So I have some more debugging to do. Like I said, if you guys have feedback from me, I'll take it. And if you're facing any of the same problems, let me know and we can work through it together. Yeah, that's it. I'll share a shorter video that just has kind of the breakdown of what I want to see from you guys this week. Thanks for watching.